Today we are going to make masala French toast. Hi friends, welcome to our channel Simple Little Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare masala French toast. The one which we are going to prepare today is slightly different than the original version of the French toast. We are not going to add any sort of sugar, milk or cinnamon in it. This is a sort of Indian style French toast which I personally really prefer and make often at my home. Now let us get started with the recipe. For this recipe we are taking 2 slices of white bread, 3 whole eggs, 2 green chili finely chopped, half an onion finely chopped, few coriander leaves finely chopped, salt to taste, turmeric and cumin powder. Now let us start preparing our French toast. I would take a small bowl and a fork. I am not using a whisk because the ball is really small. Now let us just crack the eggs. Now let us beat the egg really nicely and make sure all the egg yolks are properly dissolved. Once we are done with the beating, let us add all the ingredients. We would take a pinch of turmeric powder, same goes with the cumin powder, salt to taste. Now let us add coriander leaves and mix it well. If your eggs are not beaten well, all the powders, cumin powder, turmeric powder would come as a lumps in your eggs. This is the reason you have to beat it really well. It's all good for us. Let us add green chili and onions and mix it properly. The batter looks really thin and full of the mixture. Now we are done with the beating and our batter is all ready. Now let us get started with the cooking process. Now let us turn the gas on and put it in a medium to low heat. We are going to shallow fry our French toast. For that we will need some oil. I have taken the vegetable oil. I have also a plate with a tissue paper on top of it just to soak the excess amount of oil from the toast. Let us preheat the pan now. It seems to be good. Let us take a tablespoon of oil and put it down everywhere. You can take your whole bread or slice it up. I'm going to slice it into 2 halves and dip it in our batter. You can use tongs, but I'm using my hand. And just place it in the pan. Put the mixture on the top of the bread. And let it cook for some time. Once it starts getting cooked, just flip it over. It looks quite brown. I'm going to use the same spoon. Sorry, I'm so messy. And put the mixture on this side as well. and let it cook for a while. flip it over again and make sure both the sides are cooked properly. Regarding this extra eggs on the edges can be trimmed off later on if you don't like, or you can just like pluck it out and eat it, whatever you like, or serve it this way. Cook it until both the sides are light golden in color. It seems good for me now. I'm just going to take this off from the stove and put it on the top of the tissue. Once you are done with all of the bread slices, we can plate it up and it will be ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful to you, please subscribe our channel and give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you have any suggestion, please write down in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.